But while we're doing some decorating on the inside of our homes for the holidays, we can also decorate some on the outside for all the outside critters. And this is a fun project to do with kids. And if you have a tree outside you want to do some decorating, you can decorate it for the birds. And these are basically ornaments that we can make for the birds. You can use little wooden pieces. You can also use some heavy cardboard. However, the wooden pieces seem to hang a little better. The cardboard want to blow a little bit in the wind. And it's pretty easy. All you do is take some peanut butter, and you can do this. You can mix the peanut butter with a little bit of suet if you want to, and just coat the ornament with peanut butter. Not too awfully thick, but just coat that. We've also got a hole up there in the top, which I probably ought to put my string through before I cover it up completely. And you can just use a shoestring, some twine, or if you want to make it look really pretty, you can use some ribbons and put that up there. And then, after you've got your ornament coated, do a little bit on the edges there, you just roll it in birdseed. And we'll do this half, and then we'll turn it over and do the other half. And mind you, this isn't a clean project, but it is fun. And it's a great way to put a feast out for the birds. Now, as the birds eat the seed off, you can just come back, put a little bit more peanut butter on, and some more seeds. And you can keep your tree decorated for the birds. And they can have a holiday too.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.